Welcome to this cryptocurrency introductory course, where you will learn how to transition yourself from cryptocurrency zero to cryptocurrency hero. My name is Jason King and I'll be taking you through this course. I've been a software engineer for 20 years now. Back in 1998 I obtained a first-class software engineering degree from De Montfort University here in the UK. Some time ago I decided to learn about Bitcoin and to purchase some just to become involved. Since then I've been obsessed by cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology. I've designed this course to help people who know little or nothing about crypto to become involved in it. By the end of this course you'll understand cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and be able to buy and trade them with confidence. In this course I'll teach you what cryptocurrencies are, what real problems they solve, how Bitcoin differs from alternative coins, how to purchase them, how to buy the main ones with no fees, investment strategies and technical chart analysis. I'll also teach you about mining, forks, security, storage and the future of crypto in general. The ideal student for this course is someone who is interested in becoming involved in crypto but currently knows very little or nothing about it. Feel free to check out the course description and the preview videos. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.